Now, there's no doubt that tech is going to play a key role when it comes to making sure businesses are keeping accurate records of their accounts. And that was one of the key points that you highlighted. And it all starts with how you do your bookkeeping. It used to be really commonplace for businesses to do their bookkeeping on paper ledgers. Fortunately, it's far less common now. We do still see many small businesses using spreadsheets to do their bookkeeping, and even many accounting firms for their clients. And if you have very few transactions to account for, perhaps this is still okay. We know these days that best bookkeeping solutions, however, are the cloud accounting solutions, such as the likes of Xero, QuickBooks Online, or Zoho. Now, they not only have all the necessary kind of checks and balances in place to help businesses keep accurate records, they also have many additional features that give businesses and their advisors tools and data to be able to draw meaningful insights from the finances. So another great thing about cloud software is that it's always kept up to date. So you don't have to worry about costly upgrades down the road. And this is particularly important when it comes to the latest developments to help you remain compliant in the market. Things such as VAT reporting and corporation tax now. And then we've got e-invoicing coming down the line in the not too distant future, right over here in the UAE. Now, we've also seen the influx of AI tools hitting the market, and they've already started to make their way into the cloud accounting ecosystem. It's important to keep up to date with the latest tech in order to maintain or gain that competitive advantage.